Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Good morning children to all of you. So last class we discussed about the properties about rational numbers. So today I have to recall some of the properties in rational numbers. The first one is role of 0. The role of 0, it can be, otherwise we say it as additive identity. Additive identity in the sense we have to add a number with one number, it get the same result. For example, that number, the rational number, it should be 1 by 2. So we need to add any number with 1 by 2, but we get the same result. So now you see what the number is this. So I will take a by b is one of the rational number. I have to add it with the 0. Or a 0 can be added with the a by b. You get the same result a by b. So here we say it as 0 is the additive identity. So that's why we give role of 0. Role of 0 or additive identity, both are same. So for example, I just give minus 3 by 5 can be added with the 0. You get minus 3 by 5. And next we get role of 1. The same way. Role of 0 in the sense it should be in addition. Role of 1 in the sense it should be in a multiplication. So role of multiplication, it can be written as multiplicative identity. It can be written as a by b into 1 or 1 by into a by b. You get a by b. For example, minus 3 by 5 can be multiplied with 1. You get minus 3 by 5. Here you have to see the result are same. Minus 3 by 5 get minus 3 by 5 only. Minus 3 by 5 get minus 3 by 5 only. And next we move on to the negative of a number. Negative of a number we say it as additive inverse. Negative of a number we say it as additive inverse. Additive inverse means what? Plus a by b, it becomes minus a by b. Minus a by b become plus a by b. So this is additive identity. So here the symbol should be changed. Plus become minus, minus become plus. I have to show the example. So here is the example. Minus 3 by 5, the negative of a number we say it is minus negative of, that means minus of minus 3 by 5, it become plus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5, the negative of a number is plus 3 by 5. So plus 4 by 5, negative of plus 4 by 5. So we say that 4 by 5 can be written as minus 4 by 5. You see here minus become plus, plus become minus. This is additive inverse. Next we move on to reciprocal of a number. We say it as multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but a by b. You have to take inverse b by a. Minus a by b, the minus as it is same. You have to reciprocal the fractions. So b by a. Here you have to see for additive inverse there is nothing change in a number. You have to change the symbol. 3 by 5 as it is 3 by 5. Minus become plus. But here a by b become b by a, but minus is always a. Here symbol doesn't change. You have to take reciprocal of a number. But additive inverse, number doesn't change. You have to change the symbol. And next we move on to the property distributive of multiplication over addition of rational number. So now you see a by b into c by d plus e by f. This is the 3 rational number multiplication over addition. So first you have to multiply this a by b into c by d. First you have to multiply this with first one. So a by b into c by d plus, and again this a by b can be multiplied with e by f. A by b into e by f. This is the distributive property over addition. The same way it should be written as over subtraction also. For example, a by b into c by d minus e by f. So the same way, first A by B can be multiple with C by D. A by B can be multiple with C by D. Instead of addition, here minus is there. So subtracted. Again A by B can be multiple with E by F. A by B into E by F. Just I have to show one example sums to you. Here, solve the given rational number by distributive of multiplication over addition for the rational numbers minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. So this is 3 rational numbers. We have to apply the distributive property. So now we see the solution. You know the distributive property, that should be A by B into C by D plus E by F. It can be distributed by A by B into C by D plus A by D into E by F. The same manner here, the first one A by B, C by D, E by F. So minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus of, already minus 5 by 6 is there, 5 by 6, which is equal to, first this minus 3 by 5, 4 can be multiple with this one. So minus 3 by 4 can be multiple with 2 by 3. Here plus, and then same this minus 3 by 4 multiple with the minus 5 by 6. So now we have to distribute the property, everything. So now normally you have to multiply it. So multiple means you have to numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Plus into minus, minus. So 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 divided by 4 3s are 12. Plus, so minus 3 into minus 5, it should be plus 15. So 4 6 are 24. So now we get this 2, and you have to take minus 6 by 12 here plus 15 by 24. Now you take the LCM of this 2. So 12, 24, 1 12 is 12, 2 12 is 24. So I take 24 as a LCM. I take commonly 24 as a LCM. This 12 can be multiple with the 2, you get 24. The same way 6 can be multiple with the 2. So minus 6 into 2 plus 24 can be multiple with the 1, so it should be 15 as it is same. So minus 12 plus 15 divided by 24. So you get plus minus different symbol, you have to subtract it. So subtract in the sense you get 3. Here 15 is bigger one, so plus 3 divided by 24. 1 3s are 3 and 8 3s are 24. You get 1 by 8 is the answer. So now we have to apply the distributive property. Finally we get the answer 1 by 8. Next we have to see some example like multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. Okay, now we see example number 3. Write the additive inverse of the following. So we have to find out the additive inverse. You know that what is meant by additive inverse? We have to change the symbol. You have not, doesn't change the number. So solution, first question, minus 7 by 19. Solution. So here minus 7 by 19 is there. So minus 7 by 19. So additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 7 by 19 is plus 7 by 19. That's all, you have to change the symbol. The same way here. Second one, 21 divided by 112. So it becomes a plus What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse of 21 divided by 112 is, this should be plus, you need to put minus 21 divided by 112. So that's all. If the value always in negative, it become positive. Always in positive, it become negative. That is additive inverse. So why I have to say this additive inverse? Additive inverse, already I told. Additive identity, it gives additive identity. For verification I told. Additive identity means a plus 0 which is equal to a. So 0 we consider as a additive identity. So if minus 7 by 19, the additive inverse is plus 7 by 19. Now you see 19 minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0. So 0 divided by anything, it becomes 0. Now you see minus 7 by 19 plus 7 by 19 is additive inverse. Because of that we get the additive identity 0. In the same way 21 by 112 minus 21 by 112, 21 minus 21, it becomes 0. So 0 is the additive identity. So minus 21 by 12 is the additive inverse of 21 by 112. Next we move on to the question example number 4. Verify that minus of minus x is same as x. For here they have to given the value x. First I have to prove it. I take the first question, x which is equal to 13 by 17. We have to prove that. So we have to show that minus of minus x which is equal to plus x. So already x is there, this minus x is additive inverse. So because of that x equal to 13 by 17 minus x which is equal to the additive inverse, it should be minus 13 by 17. So the thing is that we have to prove that minus of minus x, we get minus that, we have to prove that minus of minus x, it become 13 by 17. So now you see minus of minus x which is equal to minus of minus 13 by 17 which is equal to minus into minus plus 13 by 17. Now you see 13 by 17 which is equal to x. So now we prove that minus of minus x which is equal to x. So minus 13 by 17 is additive inverse of 13 by 17. Therefore additive inverse of 13 by 17 is minus 13 by 17. Next we move on to the second question. X equal to minus 21 divided by 31. Here we have to find out in a solution. So here already they given x equal to minus 21 divided by 31. So a negative inverse, for example, minus x is additive inverse of x. So minus x which is equal to minus into minus 21 by 31 which is equal to 21 by 31. So listen, so minus x which is equal to 21 by 31, minus x which is equal to 21. So minus x is additive inverse of x. So minus 21 by 31 additive inverse is 21 by 31. Now we have to show that minus of minus x which is equal to x. We have to prove that. So minus of minus x, minus of minus x, the value is 21 by 31 which is equal to minus 21 by 31. The minus 21 by 31, it should be value of x. So which is equal to x. Therefore minus of minus x which is equal to x. Okay children, Today we have to see the role of 0, that means additive identity. Additive identity is 0, and next we have to see the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1, and next we have to see the additive inverse. Additive inverse means you have to change the symbol. That should be positive become negative, negative become positive. You no need to change any numbers. And next we have to see the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, we have to change the number. That means you have to take reciprocal of the number, but you doesn't change the symbol. Minus become minus, but a by b, you have to take the reciprocal of a by b, b by a. Next we have to see the distributive property, multiplication over addition. We have to show the example also. Next we see the additive inverse example and some additive inverse, another additive inverse examples. So now I have to attach the worksheet on the basis of distributive property, multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. You have to finish it on the day itself. Thank you.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.